In Sapa, Vietnam, the local ethnic minority groups such as the Hmong, Dao, and Thai have a deep cultural connection with their natural surroundings, including the local bird species. They often impart their knowledge and values regarding the care of local birds to their children through traditional practices and oral traditions.
Quên đấy. Có con chim mình quên nhỏ ấy.
Hương đứng nữa rồi đó. Bạn rồi. Rồi, nó tùy tiện nhỉ.
Before in
Thò tay
in
vào
our
xong
house
lấy
in
như
the bamboo
thần nhỉ?
forest, we have a lot of these
Cho
kind
vào.
of birds. Yeah.
Ra đây mẹ chụp ảnh con. Mẹ chụp ảnh con mấy.
The education about caring for local birds often begins with a simple act of observation and appreciation. Parents and elders encourage children to observe birds in their natural habitat. They teach them to identify different species by their appearance, songs, and behaviors. This hands-on experience fosters a sense of wonder and respect for these creatures.
Okay,
Many ethnic groups in Sapa hold traditional beliefs that link birds with spirituality. They believe that birds are messengers between the earthly world and the spiritual realm. This belief system instills a sense of responsibility in children to care for these creatures and maintain the balance between nature and the spiritual world. In recent years, there has been a growing awareness of the need for formal environmental education. Some schools in Sapa incorporate lessons on local biodiversity, including birds, into their curricula. This formal education complements the traditional knowledge passed down from generation to generation. In Sapa, the teaching of how to care for local birds is not just about ecological preservation, but also about preserving cultural heritage and values. Through a blend of traditional wisdom and contemporary conservation efforts, local children are equipped with the knowledge and values needed to protect and cherish the avian biodiversity of their region, ensuring that future generations continue to coexist harmoniously with nature. Children are taught how to create bird-friendly environments around their homes. This includes setting up feeding stations with locally available food, such as rice grains and fruits, and constructing simple birdhouses or shelters. These activities enable children to actively contribute to the well-being of the local bird populations. If you like what you see in this video, feel free to leave a comment and please don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. And we'll see you in the next one.